Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make apple pie in Disney Dreamlight Valley. First, you'll need to gather your ingredients. Head to the plaza or peaceful meadow to find an apple tree and pick one crisp apple. Next, visit Remai's pantry to purchase 1 stick of butter. Finally, stop by Goofy's stall in the peaceful meadow to buy 1 wheat. These 3 simple items are all you need to begin your culinary adventure. Once you have all your ingredients, it's time to start cooking. Open your inventory and select the apple, butter, and wheat. Then, make your way to any cooking station available in the valley. You can use the one in your own home or visit Remai's restaurant for a more professional setting. Interact with the cooking station, and the recipe menu will appear, ready for your selections. Now for the exciting part. Drag and drop your 1 apple, 1 stick of butter, and 1 wheat into the designated cooking slots on the recipe menu. Once all 3 ingredients are placed, confirm your selection to initiate the cooking animation. In just a moment, your character will present a perfectly baked apple pie, a delightful 3-star dessert that restores a good amount of energy. It's that simple to create a delicious treat. Your freshly baked apple pie offers several benefits in Dreamlight Valley. Eating it will restore a generous 130 energy, helping you continue your adventures. You can also gift this delicious treat to any villager to boost your friendship level, making them happier. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your culinary creations and the magic of the valley.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.